Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Para this week's vlog tungkol po sa Idol Philippines Week 1 sa simula ng Season 2 plus video of the day. Video of the day talaga. Subscribe na to the YouTube channel kung bakit gusto ko mag-like, shares, comments, and views para mag-abot tayo ng 140 subscriber. For our this week's vlog 170, episode 170, entitled Idol PH Week 1 Recap. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Una naman natin ay ang Idol Hopeful Weeks 1 panoorin natin. Wala na Idol Philippines Season 2 last weekend, June 25 and 26. Opening number pala yung mga dating Idol alumni like Aji, Jello, Shania, Pana, Idols, Enzo, Lucas, Mati, to sing Rise Up by Andre Day. At nagsimula na natin sa localized in Dene Padilla, kaya lang 1 yes, 3 no. Seb Gabino from Malabon City. Followed by 3 Idol Hopers make it to the next round with 4 yeses. Armisha De Leon of Laguna to sing Oo by UDD. Orange and Lemon song Hanggang Kaila para kay Dave Maramag from Nueva Ecija. And Anne Rainia na nagsasaya na para G galing Laguna or TikTokeris yan. Orange Color, ay di ko alam kung ano na yung title ni Nat King Kong yan. Last Sunday, the Idol Hopefuls are 3. Dalawa ay sayang. Nico from UAE singing Sagabut so kaya lang 2 yeses and 2 no. While 0 ang yeses at 4 no's from Kamsur na si Armenian Aguilar sayang. To sing Dance Monkey by Tanzanite. While the 3 Idol Hopers make it to the next round. We got 4 yeses. Ay, 2 4 yeses. At yung isa ay 3 yes and 1 no. We had Jarea Impuro to give up 4 yeses from the judges. Ay taga Laguna. To sing Rabo by Casey Tandina. While PJ Pavrian to sing 214 by Rima Marna ng galing Tarlac. 3 yes, 1 no. And ang kauna-unahang Idol Hope nang kuha ng platinum tickets wala rin kundi si Kimberly Baculo from Batangas to sing isang linggo pag-ibig cover by Tracy Tandinan ay nabinigay kay Gary Banaciano ng platinum tickets to Kim Baculo. Congratulations Idol Kimberly, make it to the 3rd round kasi alam ko platinum tickets to skip 2 rounds sa tier round. We move on to the 3rd round of theater rounds. This coming weekend, sino kaya Idol Hopefuls next? Malaman natin yan this Saturday and Sunday on ABS-CBN platforms and today talagas on TV5. Bago pa tayo matapos ang ating vlog, oras na para sa ating video of the day. Balita at Titanic post na nunkunan from Nestle Kutay at Kabulastugan video pages on social media. Ang dalawang lalaki ito nagsiskateboarding ala Titanic post. Ay, may sunset pa. Itong kunan ito ng lalaki ito, isa pa. Kaya, thank you sa mga million views and subscribers sa mga social media. Supportin natin Kabulastugan at iba pang mga Facebook page na may funny videos. And that's it for this week's vlog. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye na Titanic host. God bless.